Stock market magic here. So in this video, we're going to go over Pepsi stock versus Coca-Cola stock. So we'll start with Pepsi. Currently it's trading for $131 and about 50 cents. If we scroll down, we can see the 52-week high was at $147.20 and the 52-week low was at $101.42. And it has currently a dividend yield of 2.77. And now Pepsi is a lot more expensive than Coca-Cola, as you're going to see. Coca-Cola trades between right around the $45 mark right now. It hovers 40 to 50, right around in that range. So Pepsi is significantly more expensive than Coke per share. Now, the thing I do like about Pepsi is they have a lot more potential growth than Coca-Cola. They're a bit newer of a company, and they're still expanding. And they also like Doritos. That's a brand they own. So they have a bit more going for them in terms of growth. However, I still do prefer Coca-Cola, as we're gonna see right now. Let me type in Coca-Cola. As you can see, Coca-Cola is going right about $45 per share. And I do have quite a few shares. I have 20 shares for an average cost of $40.51. And if we scroll down, we can see the 52-week high was about $60. 52-week low was $36. And their dividend yield is a little bit higher at 3.4%. Now, Coca-Cola, their share price is a lot lower. They do have less growth. Potential growth isn't as high as Pepsi. However, I still really do like Coca-Cola. They have great distribution. They're a worldwide known brand. So I do prefer Coca-Cola over Pepsi stock. However, either are a great choice. I just prefer Coca-Cola, a little bit higher of a dividend, and the share price is significantly cheaper than Pepsi. So that's my take on it. But either company is a long-term great investment. They're both solid companies. So either one is a wise choice if you're thinking of getting in a beverage soda type company. Either one is good to go with. I just prefer Coca-Cola. And if you're new to investing, you can click the link below to sign up for Robinhood and get a free bonus stock.